This is an introductory video to how to use Prescient Designer. To log in, you go to the Prescient Devices homepage and hit the Login button to the top right. Once you do that, this will take you to the login screen. You can enter your email address and your password to log in. If you're logging in for the first time, you should hit the Forgot Password link. That'll send you a password reset email, and you can proceed to set a new password. Once you're done with this page, you hit Continue. And this will require you to authenticate using your Auth0 Guardian app. So on your phone, just hit Allow from your app screen. If you are on a Community Edition account, you are required to log in every 24 hours to keep your designer account active. If not, your designer account may be stopped. In that case, you just hit the Start Designer button, and this will spin up your designer account. This will take about a minute and a half or so because there are many cloud services to be connected behind the scene.